Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can create Kanban wave in Salesforce CRM. So step by step we are discussing about how we can easily create and how we can use. So this video is very useful for Salesforce beginners, admins and developers. So let's start with what is Kanban wave. Kanban wave is a visual way to manage the record in Salesforce. It shows records in card format grouped by pick list field like stage or status. You can simply drag and drop the record to the change the status. So where Kanban these are used. So Kanban in mostly used in opportunity for sales pipeline, leads for lead status, cases for supporting tracking, tasks and custom objects. So remember, Kanban works only in Lightning experience. It's not support for classic experience. So let's start with we can use this. You need to open any of your custom or standard object. So in that you need to select the drop down. So in here you can see multiple drop down like all open leads, recently viewed pin list, recently viewed list, today list. These are all the drop downs. So first you need to select your list view. So previously we are discussing about how we can create list views. So that's why I just go with existing list view only. So currently I will select all open leads. So first you need to select the any of the list views. Okay, this is the first requirement because Kanban works inside the list views. So first we need a list view. So then we need to display, right? We need to display the record in Kanban view. So that's why you need to go to select list display. So in here you can see table Kanban split view. So we need Kanban, right? Click on Kanban. So once you click on this Kanban, that all your records look like this. So I previously said. So what I said, a Kanban view is a visual way to manage record in Salesforce. It shows records in card format. So all your records becomes card format. Grouped by pick list field like stage or status. So this all the records is grouped by this pick list like hot, warm, cold. This is my pick list. So is the annual revenue rating and the annual revenue that Kanban view is created. You can also configure the Kanban setting. So where we can configure this, click on list view controls. In here, Kanban setting is there. So if you click on Kanban setting, summarize it by. So we need to give the one more values like number of location, number of location, number of employee, annual revenue. Based on this, we can summarize the all the record. So and also group by rating. So based on rating, all your pick list fields are available in here. So based on what your requirement, you can view that records. So I just click on lead status or lead stage. Click on save. Once you save, that all your records are grouped by stage. Okay. So the best part of Kanban is you can easily drag and drop the records. Like this is the way. Drag and drop automatically the stage of the record will be changed. So this is the best part of Kanban. The real time business use cases are when we go with sales tracking, lead conversion, support case flow, other sale, CRM management. In all these business models, we will go with Kanban view. So I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.